Okay, so in the previous video we published our post. So now it is published. So let's see how to create some sort of a panel that we can view our published post. Okay, right. So I will clear everything and I will go to the simple our p index. Okay. Then let's create some sort of a container key. So let's say, or maybe I can, yeah, post container. Let's say post index container. Inside this post index container, I need to create a post, right? So post have a title and the body and the corresponding details of the user who have published it, and the post created time. So I will make some header. Let's say post header. So this post header have two details. Let's say post username. In my case, let's say Dhanushka Sandakal, and post created at let's say just uh, something like this. P5 1. Then I need uh, post body. Inside the post body, I will add some yeah, simply the post title. The title will be displayed over here, and post body, right? The body is, I will simply put a lorem text, right? I think that's enough. And later on, I need, yeah, this is not the post body, this div class body. Then later on, I will add these post interactions as well. So for that, I will simply add post footer, and post footer contain post likes. Let's say likes 0 and post dislikes. Say dislikes 0. Okay. So these are the details. Now let's add some styling. So what are the post styles? So this is create and the index, and post index container is somewhat similar. I will post. I will copy this thing, and yeah, I think that one will be quite alright. Okay, this is some sort of a post, and maybe I can, yeah, later on we can change the colors and things like that, but for now I think this one will be okay. But I will remove the padding. Okay, then post index container, post header. Inside the post header I will add some padding. Let's say 5 px, or maybe 10 px, right? So this is display flex, and flex direction is pro. Then post header dot, let's say, post username. Post username, I will add some heading right over here, maybe 10 or maybe 15 pixels. Okay, then maybe we can make the text bigger. The font size maybe 14 px. Then let's make our name something bold. Or no, maybe, yeah, font weight 600, and color is somewhat black, but let's reduce some color over here. Okay, then post created at, so we need this stuff, and the color little bit gray. Okay, right. Then you can maybe add a border over here over the post header. Yeah, something like this. Okay, then we can go to the post body, and let's set the similar padding. Okay, then I can manipulate the post body title, so it is post title. Post title, maybe I will make much bigger, let's say 20 px, and font weight is 600, and color is something like this, but let's reduce some color. Okay, so this is the title. And this is the content. I think content is kind of okay, but yeah, post body is, maybe let's say post content. Okay, post content is over here like this, and it also requires border 1px solid thing. Maybe let's set the border for the bottom over here, the border bottom as well. Okay, now it's bit clean. So this is the title, and similarly you can manipulate the post footer. So it's again something like this, but we don't need this one, and maybe font size 13 px. Yeah, and let's say extra line center text box. Yeah, we can use align item center and justify center. So I don't usually remember these CSS stylings, that's why I look at the resources. So likes and dislikes will be look like this, and maybe we can add uh, text spacing, yeah. Or maybe let's just simply add margin, or maybe simply add a padding. Let's say 15 px. No, right? Is that right? Thing is adding not over here. Post footer must be post likes and post dislikes. So post like and yeah, post likes adding maybe 10 px. Yeah, be padding right 20 px. Then over here padding dislikes, but it's left right. Then entire thing we can add more padding. I will make like 600. The color may be somewhat green. Likewise, the dislikes, maybe the color is somewhat red. Okay, somewhat red. Okay, so this is the structure of our post. Now we have to retrieve the data to this form. Can be easily done over here because we have already taken out our, no, we haven't taken out our post, right? Yeah, so maybe this video I will conclude over here. The next video I will show you how to get the data out of from the database to this view.